iKeyboard, the multifunction virtual laser projection keyboard. Increase your productivity anytime, anywhere.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, what are you doing?
Not much, just hanging out. You want to meet up later on?
Yeah, I can shoot you a text.
Alright, sounds good.
Wake up like never before with Sensorwake Trio, the first alarm clock that activates your senses with smell, sight and sound. Hello, my name is Guillaume. One morning I woke up and I dreamed I could smell a fresh cup of coffee waking me up. Sensorwake started in a garage. The first alarm clock that uses not only sounds or light, but also fragrances that stimulates your sense of smell to gently wake you up. This full senses wake-up concept was selected by Google to be one of the top inventions that could change the world. Google helped me showcase my invention and make it blossom.
And finally, this is kind of cool. I read that a company called Sensorwake is developing an alarm clock that wakes people up using various smells.
The Sensorwake, and I was like, I'm going to order that immediately. So that's what I did.
In 2015, we launched the first Sensorwake alarm clock on Kickstarter. Supported by over 1,500 backers, we received the Sensorwake in 2016. But we didn't want to stop there. We wanted to improve, to enhance, to innovate.
Based on feedback from our early backers, our new team is back on Kickstarter. Introducing the 3-minute, 3 steps with Sensorwake Trio. We have evolved from a simple scent-based alarm clock to an all-in-one device that stimulates your senses, smell, light, and finally sound. 3 steps, 3 minutes. Minute 1, it starts off with your selected smell. Then minute 2, the soothing light, and finally minute 3, a motivating melody. Snooze however long you wish, and Sensorwake will repeat the alarm in 10 minutes. 1 capsule lasts 30 mornings. Replace it every month.
We have 100% natural derived fragrances for fresh awakenings, such as pine forest or rose garden, as well as breakfast-inspired fragrances like chocolate factory and orange juice. And the most popular is also my favorite, cappuccino. We created truly authentic fragrances, respecting the most strict air quality standards with Givaudan, the world leader in fragrance creation. Our patented dry diffusion technology is safe, healthy, and mess-free.
Our mission is simple. We want to wake you up feeling great and motivated. So what's next? The electronic components are ready. The molds have been made, so we are all set up to manufacture. To reward your support, we are offering exclusive scents, exciting stretch goals to unlock, and early bird discounts for the first backers. So hurry up, don't press snooze!
Back Sensorwake Trio now, together we can build a better way to wake up.
Backers today on Kickstarter.
Hi, remember me? Jeff from middle school. I hit my head on the fish tank. This is my cat, Seamus.
Hey man, I noticed you haven't congratulated me on my promotion yet. I'm the new VP's assistant. It's a pretty big deal. I mean, just a congratulations would be nice.
Hi, I just accidentally liked one of your pictures from like 2 years ago. You look great, by the way. I miss you so much. Hey, who's the redhead?
Dude, I just sent you a picture totally not meant for you. Just delete it. And we're live. Seamus is dancing.
Hey, game at 7 p.m. Kickball people, where my Kicki Minaj's at?
We're here. You guys want to get beers before the game?
Yeah, let's go to O'Patty.
Let's go,
Okay, enough. All right, I just want to hear my music. That's it. Go away. Scram. Get out of here. Get. Shoo. Be gone!
Distracting notifications don't need to join you on your workout. Introducing Mighty, the first ever portable Spotify music player.
traditional home security hasn't changed in years. Ring Alarm is a whole new way of looking at security. Ring Alarm is designed to be simple to use, easy to set up, and doesn't require professional installation. Professional monitoring means there's someone on call with 24/7 protection, and 911 response is right at your fingertips. Keep crime out and peace of mind within. There's no better way to protect your home than with Ring Alarm.